How do I advocate for genetic testing for my child?
Yes. So if you think that genetic testing would be helpful for your family, it's best to talk to your neurologist or request a referral to see a geneticist.
Okay.
So it's really important to go through an experienced medical provider because there are lots of different genetic tests, and you want to make sure that the right one gets chosen for your child.
hmm
And then when genetic test results come back, they're actually pretty complex and need to be interpreted by the doctor. So you want to make sure that you have those people on your team when doing genetic testing.
hmm
And the other part of that is you're more likely to, I think it's helpful in terms of insurance coverage to go through your provider, and they also may have access or be knowledgeable about financial assistance programs. Most physicians that I've encountered want to know the underlying cause for someone's seizures and usually know which kids are the best candidates for genetic testing, the kids who it's going to be helpful for. And I think if they're not, it's always reasonable to get a second opinion or to see a geneticist, because a geneticist certainly will know if genetic testing is helpful for your child or not. So I think it really is going to depend on the physician, but you can always, I think for families who don't want to take no for an answer,
Yes.
sometimes the doctor says no, and that's probably the right decision. And sometimes it's always good to hear from someone else if it's not. So getting a second opinion. And also talking to other families, hearing what their experience has been, I think that can be helpful too.